How to hard reset Huawei Mate 60, 60 Pro and Plus. Step 1. First, turn off the Huawei Mate 60 using the power button. Step 2. Simultaneously press and hold power and volume up buttons. Step 3. Release the power button after the Huawei logo appears, but continue holding the volume up button.